Yeah, definitely. But all this water might be coming from the top of the mountain. I'm pretty sure people can swim in there, you know. But I'm not gonna do it, obviously. Oh, look at that. It's so red color. I'm tired, man. This keeps going. So how far can I go? Does anyone know? This thing will continue. I see some steps right here, like people are coming, footsteps from their shoes. Very slippery. Maybe I can jump, right? Yep. Can jump around. Whew. Continue. It's like a June Mars. I've never been to Mars, obviously, but I've seen that on the satellites and the rocket that they sent. And the sand is just like that. So we have something in common, right? Oh, look. This continue. Oh, if you see, that's the big canyon right there in the back. Look at the horizon. Like, look at my fingers. I can barely see, but it's beautiful. It's like a landscaping. It's like the Grand Canyon in Arizona, right here, right there in the U.S. It's so big. It's like a valley. I'm gonna have to Google this right here to see why the sand is so red in color. And let me tell you something. I'm colorblind,